Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the topic polynomial. Polynomial px has a remainder of 3 when divided by x plus 3. So now we have the info p negative 3 is equals to 3. Find the remainder of px plus 2 when divided by x plus 3. So another info, we have px plus 2 over x plus 3. Question asks us to find the remainder. So now I'm going to express the situation where we have px over x plus 3. We will have qx plus 3 over x plus 3, because here stated the remainder is 3. So I'm going to multiply with x plus 3. So we will have px equals to qx multiply with x plus 3 plus with 3. So now the situation said px plus 2. Okay, px plus 2. So in here, I'm going to add on 2 for the left hand side. So where we will have px plus 2. Since this is an equality, so meaning that if the left hand side plus 2, the right hand side also need to plus 2. So qx multiply with x plus 3 plus with 3 as a remainder, we have to add on the 2 as well. So finally, we have px plus 2 equals to qx multiply with x plus 3 plus with 5. So based on the question, they said find the remainder of px plus 2 when divided by x plus 3. So meaning that px plus 2 divided by x plus 3. So here we will have qx plus 5 over x plus 3. So the answer would be, if the px plus 2 divided by x plus 3, the remainder will be equals to 5. So for the second part, polynomial p sub 1 is equals to x cubed plus ax squared minus 5bx minus 7 has a factor p1. Substitute the value 1, we will have 0 has a factor, and a remainder r1 when divided by x plus 1. So we will have p negative 1 equals to r sub 1. That is the info. While a polynomial p sub 2 equals to x cubed minus ax squared plus bx plus 6 has a remainder p1 equals to r2. Find the value of a constant a and b if the third info is r1 plus r sub 2 is equals to 5. Hence, obtain the 0 for p1x. So now we are going to substitute the 1 into the function p1. So what we will have will be 0 equals to 1 plus a minus 5b minus 7. So rewrite the situation. We will have a minus 5b minus 6. So if we transfer, we will have 6. So that will be the first equation. If we substitute negative 1, we will have r1 equals to negative 1 plus a plus 5b minus 7. Simplify. So we have r1 equals to a plus 5b minus 8. That will be the second equation. Next, my suggestion is to simplify the first and the second equation. So in here we notice that we have a is equals to 6 plus 5b. So substitute the equation 1 into the second equation. So we will have r1 equals to 6 plus 5b plus with 5b minus 8. So r1 will be equals to 10b minus 2. Next, let's proceed with p21 equals to r1. Let's substitute. So in here we have 2. So if we substitute 1, we will have r2 equals to 1 minus a plus b plus 6. Simplify. So r sub 2 equals to negative a plus b plus with 7. That will be the third equation. So now we are going to relate the situation with r2 and r1. So meaning that the third equation and the second equation for the green color into this. So r1 actually equals to plus with r2 equals to 5. So 10b minus 2 plus with r2, where we have negative a plus b plus 7 equals to 5. Kindly simplify the situation. So what we will have will be 10b plus with b, we will have 11b. Negative 2 plus with 7, we will have 5. Minus a equals to 5. So 11b minus a equals to 0. So 11b equals to a. 11b equals to a, which is 6 plus 5b. So if we simplify the situation, we will have 6b equals to 6 and b will be equals to 1. If the b is equals to 1, the a will be equals to 11. So now we need to substitute the value into p1. So p1 x will be equals to x cubed. So as we all know, the a is 11. So we have plus 11 x squared minus the b is equals to 1. So we will have 5x minus 7. The question asks us to obtain the 0 for p1. So since we have the info, the p1, we have a factor x minus 1. So now we are going to use the long division to find the other factors. So now let's begin with the long division. So we have x cubed plus 11x squared minus 5x minus 7. The divisor or the factor is x minus 1. Multiply with x squared, we will have x squared minus x squared. So simplify, we will have 12x squared minus 5x minus 7. Next, multiply with 12x. So we will have 12x squared minus 12x. Simplify. So we will have 7x minus 7. Next, we need to multiply with 7 and we will have 7x minus 7. Then the remainder is 0. So rewrite the situation. P1 x is equals to x squared as a cube plus 7 multiply with the factor or the divisor x minus 1, and the remainder is 0. Next, completing the square to find the zeros. So what we have to do is x squared plus 12x plus bracket 12 over 2 bracket square minus 12 over 2 bracket square plus 7 x minus 1. X plus 6 bracket square minus 36 plus 7 x minus 1. Simplify the situation. So x plus 6 bracket square minus 29 bracket x minus 1. So we have P1x. So the question asks us to find the 0, meaning that P1x is equals to 0. So x plus 6 square minus 29 will be equals to 0, and x minus 1 equals to 0. So in here, x plus 6 bracket square equals to 29. So x plus 6 will be equals to square root of 29. X plus 6 equals to negative square root of 29, and x is equals to 1. Finally, x is equals to negative 6 plus square root of 29. X equals to negative 6 negative square root of 29, and x equals to 1. What is the zeros? So the zeros are negative 6 plus square root of 29, negative 6 negative square root of 29, and the last one is 1. So here we are, and thanks for watching.